Hey friend, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year. Y'all, 2025 is getting ready to be the best year ever. And I'm speaking this into existence over all of us. Because when I tell you 2024 was a complete blur, like when I tell you guys, every possible thing that could have gone wrong went wrong. I mean, I'm blessed to still be here. And I'm blessed that you guys are all here with us as well. But 2024 was a struggle. I'm sick right now. That's how bad this year was. And when I tell you, I have cried so many times, and I'm hoping that those tears are watering flowers, because when I tell you guys I need a break. Again, I am so happy that you guys are here with me this year, and I pray that you guys are all doing well. I am back with a new video by none other than Unice, and you can find them on Amazon. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below, so in case you guys are interested, be sure to check that out. So as usual, I like to just go ahead and put the wig on a canvas block and just kind of do some minor prepping. I just applied a little bit of gel. I slicked the hairline back, applied the edge band. Now I'm going in using my wax stick just to flatten everything on top. Then you guys are going to see me go ahead and just refreshen up the curls using a curling wand. Now some details about this unit. Once again, it does come from Unice, which is on Amazon. This is a 13 by 4 inch body wave pre-everything lace frontal wig. My wig is 24 inches long, 180% density. This unit does have a drawstring in the back to where you can get a nice custom fit. The knots are pre-bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked. It has the pre-cut lace. This is pre-styled. Now, if you are a beginner, this is definitely going to be a doozy for you guys. It's going to be super simple, literally throw it on and go. So I let the wig just sit and dry along the hairline, and this is what it looks like. Everything is nice and slicked back. I will be going through that just to kind of break away that cast. Now, this unit does have the ear tab tape strips already adhered. I don't necessarily like using them. Now, I will say that this will be a great little added bonus for those of you guys who are beginners. Therefore, everything is just ready to go. All you got to do is take off the backing of the tape and go ahead and adhere it down. Right now, I'm just using a little bit of my airbrush legs. I'm going to apply that all over the lace to where I can get a nice color so it melts in with my skin. Now, let's just go ahead and get this wig on and see what we're working with. So now I'm going in using my E-Band lace bonding spray, and I'm just going to spray that all over the outer perimeter of my hairline and just go ahead and get this wig adhered down. Just
me by surprise. It was love at first sight, and you're more than meets the eyes. Can't compare you to the women in the past that I have tried, cause I could tell them slide, but you the one that got drive.
So as you guys can see, the lace is still a little too light for my skin tone, so I applied a little airbrush legs to a brush, and I'm just going to spot it along the outer perimeter of the hairline, just along the lace area. Then I'm going to follow that up using a little bit of my powder just to kind of deepen that color a little bit. And then I later decided that I wanted some baby hair, so I'm going to go ahead and pull those out and get those laid.
Well, obviously it's how we can be ourselves openly and be voluptuous, but not just that. You're a vibrant thing and eat. This one's simple cause you make my life go easily. Another L here, and well, yes, for the way you keep on leveling is why I'm in love with you. And girl,
so I totally forgot about this little drawstring, so I'm just going to adjust the drawstring so I can get a nice comfortable fit. And I should have done that before I adhered the wig down. So you guys do remember there's a drawstring back there, so you might not even need to use any adhesives or even the tape, being that that drawstring is going to tighten up the unit to where you get a nice snug fit. But this is what this wig is looking like. Y'all, get into this body. get into the curls. Now I did refreshen up the curls when I was styling the unit on my canvas block the day before. But if you guys aren't really skilled at styling, this unit already comes pre-styled. All you gotta do is literally throw it on. I like the effortless look of the curls, and you can just really go through it using like a comb to really make them look really beachy and effortless. But you guys get into this hairline. It is definitely giving scalp. It's definitely giving I grew this myself. It looks so natural. I'm just gonna go ahead and part it off just so you guys can see exactly how much parting space that you have to work with. If you wanted to wear this in a side part, or if you want to just keep it in the middle part, you have those possibilities. Now I started to reposition the part to a side part just to kind of give you guys some different styling options. But to me, there's nothing like a middle part body wave unit, and I love the way it looks. So I just decided to pull some of the hair forward, and then I clipped the rest of the hair back. You guys can see like those curls, kind of giving it like a wedding look or like a prom look or something that I'd wear to a polished event. Again, it's super effortless. Like I would definitely use bobby pins instead of like that gold clip that I used if you wanted to look more polished, but that is just a option for you guys. Now I just decided to kind of bring that hair to the back to give you guys just a slicked back, hair out of your face look, and this is the next style. But there are so many different possibilities that you guys can do with this unit, and yeah, I will be playing around with it this winter. So you guys, again, check out Unice. They are available on Amazon Prime. I'll have all the details and links located in the info section below. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys plan on doing this 2025. If you guys have any goals, I'd love to know. But you guys let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. I love you guys.